Hello guys, today I will show you how to create a account on SEO Script. So let's go for the video. Firstly you click and search Chrome browser www.seoscript.net.com. Then you click. So firstly you click three dot button and then you click desktop site, then you click corner bar create new account. So you click create new account. So you show that what is your name. So you write your name and then your email. So you return your email. So I return my email. So you return your email address. So it's your name and my Gmail address. So then I account the terms of service. Then you show this captcha. So you click how many cards in this captcha. So you click the card. Then you click continue. So you click continue. Wow, done, created account. So you need to log in. So now you go your email Gmail. So you show this Seosprint message, Gmail message. So you click this message, then you got your login email and your password. So you can copy this your password. So now you click go to Seosprint. So go to Seosprint. Now you can log in. So you click your email address. Then your password. So select image with bars. So you click how many bars. So you click login, then you got your interface. Wow. So next video I will show you how to work, how to change, how to work all things. So
মাসে টিয়া দিন দেবে কেন 100-200 টাকা দিন না শুক্রবারে বাইক